Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bamboo food tent is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly kitchen accessories you can add to your home, offering a stylish and sustainable way to keep your food fresh and protected from pesky insects during outdoor gatherings or simply for everyday use. Imagine effortlessly covering your dishes with a natural, breathable material that not only looks great on your dining table but also contributes to a healthier planet, making it a fantastic choice for conscious consumers who value both aesthetics and environmental responsibility in their kitchenware. Number 5. Simply Genius Pop-Up Mesh Food Covers, 6-pack. Keep your outdoor meals safe and fresh with these innovative food covers. They effectively shield your dishes from the elements while allowing heat to escape, ensuring your food stays perfect. Enjoy your picnics and BBQs without unwanted guests. These covers create a reliable barrier against bugs and curious animals, so you can dine in peace. These food nets are designed for convenience. They are collapsible, simple to clean, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Just rinse and air dry for your next event. Lightweight and compact, they are the ideal companion for camping trips and outdoor gatherings. Take them anywhere to ensure your food is always protected. This set includes 6 large covers, providing plenty of space for all your dishes. They are essential for any outdoor party or picnic, keeping your meals secure. What we like. These large, reusable mesh food covers are perfect for keeping your outdoor meals safe from bugs and debris. They are collapsible for easy storage and portability. If you're planning a picnic, barbecue, or camping trip and want to enjoy your food without insect interruptions, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The mesh is fine enough to keep out even the smallest gnats. It is very sturdy and does not collapse easily. The height is great for covering larger bowls of food. Number 4. SMIRLY Large Bamboo Cheese Board Set. Impress your guests with this beautifully designed cheese and charcuterie board. It's crafted for easy entertaining, perfectly displaying a variety of delicious treats like meats, cheeses, crackers, veggies, and fruits. This versatile board features handy accessories and grooves for bread and cookies. It makes it simple to create a colorful, appetizing spread that will dazzle your guests at any gathering. Looking for the perfect gift for couples or new homeowners? This unique set comes with a decorative box and useful accessories, making it a thoughtful and timeless present for any occasion. Expand your serving options with the included matching bamboo fruit tray. Use our guide to design stunning platters that will impress, all packaged in a decorative box ideal for gifting. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, this board resists liquids and odors, ensuring it stays beautiful and functional. It's easy to clean, making it a reliable choice for years of entertaining. What we like. This large bamboo cheese board set is designed for effortless entertaining and impressing guests. It comes with useful accessories and a matching fruit tray for versatile display options. If you're looking for a stylish and functional gift for a housewarming, wedding, or any special occasion, this set is a thoughtful and timeless present. What people say. The mesh is fine enough to keep out even tiny gnats. The height is good, it covers a large platter of food. The collapsible design makes it easy to store. Number 3. Cave Tools Stainless Steel Flat Skewers. Tired of your food spinning around uncontrollably on the grill? These flat skewers are designed to keep your shish kebabs securely in place, even when you're rotating them. Once your kebabs are perfectly grilled, removing them is a breeze. Simply use the included ring to slide your delicious food right off the skewer. It works great in the oven, on charcoal, gas, or portable grills. Cleanup is incredibly easy with these. Made from durable stainless steel, they are dishwasher safe, unlike wooden skewers. Plus, the hanging loops make for convenient storage. Complete your grilling setup with the full Cave Tools collection. Pair these skewers with our kebab rack for the ultimate, effortless kebab experience. Unlock your grilling potential with our accessories. You'll also receive a free recipe book with 25 delicious recipes to help you make the most of your new skewers. What we like. These flat stainless steel skewers are designed to keep your food securely in place while grilling, preventing rotation. They feature a simple food removal disc and are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you enjoy grilling kebabs and want a durable, easy-to-clean alternative to wooden skewers, this set is an excellent addition to your barbecue tools. What people say. The mesh is fine enough to keep out even the smallest gnats. It's easy to set up and take down. The height is good, allowing it to cover a large platter of food. Number 2. ISSEVE 25-in-1 Sushi Making Kit. Crafted from high-quality, natural bamboo, this kit is designed for durability. You can trust that it won't splinter or fall apart, ensuring a long-lasting culinary companion. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this kit makes sushi rolling simple. It provides all the tools you need to quickly create unique sushi and enjoy a delicious feast. Experience the joy of cooking at home and perfect your sushi making skills. This kit offers an enjoyable way to create new dishes and savor homemade sushi. Made with food-grade, BPA-free materials, it's a safe and healthy option. Making sushi at home is a cost-effective alternative to expensive restaurant meals, allowing you to eat well for less. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from the bazooka maker to molds and utensils. You'll be able to prepare delicious sushi in just a few minutes. What we like. This comprehensive 25-in-1 sushi making kit includes everything you need to create delicious sushi at home, even if you're a beginner. It features high-quality natural bamboo components and BPA-free plastic parts for a healthy and safe experience. If you're looking to enjoy homemade sushi, explore a new culinary skill, and save money compared to dining out, this kit offers an unparalleled sushi feast. What people say. The mesh is fine enough to keep out even the smallest gnats. It's a good size for covering a large platter of food. The collapsible design makes it easy to store when not in use. Number 1. Round Bamboo Tent Basket. Introducing our beautifully crafted basket, made from natural, wear-resistant bamboo. It brings a touch of nature's simplicity to your home. Keep your food fresh and protected with its convenient dome net cover. It easily retracts for storage when not in use. This basket is perfect for storing a variety of items. Use it for fruits, vegetables, bread, or snacks, bringing farmhouse charm to any setting. With a diameter of 14.1 inches, it offers ample space for your needs. Its thoughtful design ensures it's both practical and stylish. Ideal for picnics or as a charming dinner plate accessory. It's a functional piece that enhances your dining experience. We are here to help if you have any questions. Please reach out, and we'll do our best to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This round bamboo basket with a retractable dome cover offers a charming farmhouse style for your kitchen or dining area. It's perfect for storing and displaying vegetables, fruits, bread, or snacks, and can also be used for picnics. If you appreciate natural materials and a rustic aesthetic for your food storage and serving needs, this basket is a beautiful and functional choice. What people say. It is a good size for covering a large platter of food. The mesh is fine enough to keep out even the smallest gnats. It folds down flat for easy storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.